Graphic design isn't just about making things look good, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry that can turn your creative passion into a lucrative career. Imagine working with global brands, earning passive income, and building a business entirely on your own terms. Whether you're just starting out or looking to maximize your earnings, today, we're breaking down practical strategies for how to make money as a graphic designer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a thriving design career and unlock the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. If you're a graphic designer, chances are you've faced these challenges. Underpaid projects, struggling to find consistent clients, or spending hours on work that doesn't feel fulfilling. It's frustrating, right? The creative world can often feel saturated, leaving talented designers underappreciated and undervalued. But here's the truth. The problem isn't the industry, it's the lack of strategy. Most designers don't know how to position themselves for success. Today, we're going to change that by uncovering actionable steps to transform your skills into a profitable career. 1. Building the foundation. Skills every money-making designer needs. To succeed as a graphic designer, you need more than just creativity. Mastering the right tools is essential. Start with industry standards like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. But don't stop there. Add Figma for UI/UX projects or Canva for quick turnaround tasks. The more versatile you are, the more opportunities you'll have. For example, imagine a client approaches you for a logo design, but after seeing your portfolio, they decide to hire you for an entire branding package: business cards, social media templates, and even a website layout. That's the power of expanding your skill set. But technical skills alone aren't enough. Communication is just as important. Clients need to feel understood. Practice active listening and always ask clarifying questions to ensure you deliver exactly what they envision. Remember, every satisfied client becomes a walking advertisement for your services. 2. Portfolio perfection. Why first impressions matter. Your portfolio is your business card. It's the first thing potential clients see, so make it count. Showcase your best work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble and tailor it to different industries. If you're targeting startups, include sleek, modern designs. If you're eyeing corporate clients, display polished, professional projects. Don't just upload random pieces, tell a story with your portfolio. Include a brief explanation for each project, the client's needs, your creative process, and the results. For instance, say you redesigned a restaurant's menu and saw their sales increase by 30%. That's a statistic that speaks volumes. And here's a pro tip. Keep your portfolio updated. Trends evolve, and so should your work. A fresh, relevant portfolio shows that you're in tune with the industry's demands. 3. Freelancing platforms. The gateway to a global client base. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and 99 Designs are goldmines for finding clients. But with so much competition, how do you stand out? The key is crafting a proposal that's less about you and more about solving the client's problem. For example, instead of saying, "I'm a graphic designer with 5 years of experience," say, "I'll help you create a modern, eye-catching logo that increases your brand's recognition." Always focus on the client's pain points and how you can address them. Once you've landed a few gigs, encourage clients to leave reviews. Positive testimonials build trust and attract more clients. And don't be afraid to start small. Taking on lower budget projects initially can help you build momentum and credibility. As your portfolio grows, so can your rates. 4. Passive income streams. Earning while you sleep. Why trade time for money when you can create income streams that work for you 24/7? Selling design templates is one of the easiest ways to start. Platforms like Creative Market or Etsy allow you to upload digital products like social media templates, resume designs, or business card layouts. For example, you could design a set of Instagram story templates for influencers. Once uploaded, these templates can generate sales repeatedly without additional effort on your part. Another option is teaching. If you're skilled in a particular area, create a course on Skillshare or Udemy. Sharing your expertise can be incredibly rewarding both financially and personally. 5. Networking and marketing. How to sell yourself without feeling sleazy. Networking doesn't have to feel intimidating. Start by building genuine connections on LinkedIn or Instagram. Share valuable content tips, case studies, or behind-the-scenes looks at your creative process. This positions you as an expert in your niche. For instance, post about the challenges and solutions you've encountered in past projects. Clients love seeing a designer who understands real-world problems. And don't underestimate the power of a personal website. A well-designed site can serve as your digital headquarters, showcasing your portfolio, testimonials, and contact information in one place. 6. Niches that pay. Specializing for higher profits. Specialization is the secret to commanding higher rates. Clients are willing to pay a premium for experts. Explore niches like branding, UI/UX design, or motion graphics. These areas are in high demand and often come with bigger budgets. For example, a startup launching a new app will prioritize UI/UX design because it directly impacts user experience. If you're an expert in this field, you'll not only secure the project but also have the leverage to charge higher fees. To identify your niche, think about your interests and strengths. Passion combined with expertise creates a powerful combination that clients can't ignore. 7. Common mistakes to avoid and final tips. Many designers fall into the trap of underpricing their services. Remember, your time and talent are valuable. Research industry standards and don't hesitate to charge what you're worth. Another common mistake is poor time management. Use tools like Trello or Asana to stay organized and meet deadlines. Lastly, avoid taking on projects that don't align with your goals. It's okay to say no. Focusing on the right opportunities will lead to better results and a more fulfilling career. Think about this. Every successful graphic designer started where you are now. The difference? They took action. Every skill you practice, every connection you make, and every project you complete brings you closer to financial freedom. Remember, the key isn't just working harder, it's working smarter. Build systems that allow you to grow while enjoying the creative process. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your favorite tip in the comments below. And don't stop here, there's more to learn. Check out the links in the description for exclusive resources to help you on your journey. And since you stayed until the end, YouTube's algorithm has handpicked the perfect video for you to watch next. It's on screen now, click it, and let's keep building your dream career together.